As mentioned by Secretary Dennis, Article 9, Basic Rights, there are 10 mentioned rights of the indigenous people. One is right to their native title and or sa kaingin. Number 2, right to customs and tradition. Number 3, right to justice system and indigenous political structure. Number 4, right to equitable share in revenues from the utilization of resources in their ancestral land. Number 5, right to free and prior informed consent. Right to political participation in the Bangsamoro government, including reserved seats for the Indigenous Peoples in the Bangsamoro Parliament. Number 7, right to basic services. Number 8, right to freedom of choice as to their identity. Then number 10 is number 9 is right to education. In fact, it was stipulated in this basic law that we are given a tribal university because one problem of the IPs Mindanao is education. Kulang po kami sa education. In that tribal university, hindi lang po Western education ang ituturo dyan, kundi yung aming kultura. Halimbawa, ako isang timuaya ko, ituturo po namin sa aming mga kabataan kung ano ang sistema, ano ba yung mga custom and tradition. Kasi later on, mawawala. And for us, IBs, our culture is our life because that is our identity. Then, number 10 is our preferential rights. Rights of IPs over natural resources within their ancestral land. So, there are so many other major provision in the basic law as fruit of our wide consultation for the IPs within the area of yarn and outside. Right, for example, we are also given a chance. It was stated here that there shall be a creation of local government units in the areas wherein indigenous people is highly dominated. Then one is the reserved seats, 2 reserved seats in the parliament for the indigenous people. Then we are also represented from the councils of leaders headed by the chief minister. Then we are also given office for our tribal court. Our brothers Moro have their own Sharia court, and we have also given an opportunity to recognize our tribal court, and there is an office for that, to wherein our leaders there, our Kapaduan, our Timuay, hold their office. So I think we IPs were not forgotten in the peace negotiation, especially in the basic law.
Thank you, Commissioner Ulama. We'd like to hear Commissioner Kinok.
First, correction, Mr. Chairman, I'm not a commissioner. I'm a member of the management panel.
Okay.
But I would like to emphasize that I am not a Christian, I'm not a Muslim, I'm a blind, 1001%. I cannot say more because Commissioner Lama has practically said everything, except for one, that under the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act and the mining law of the Republic of the Philippines, the Indigenous people are only entitled to a royalty of 1%. But in the Bangsamoro Basic Law, we have equal sharing. So if the Bangsamoro government will get 50% of metallic minerals, then the indigenous people within the area will also get a better share. So it is in that context that there is a very great difference between the IPRA and the Bangsamoro Basic Law. But the IPRA will not be substituted by the Bangsamoro Basic Law because the IPRA is a national law.
Thank you very much, a member of the MLA panel, Commissioner Aquino. And you'd like to add something, yes? Commissioner Lama.
Some of us IPs in Mindanao are clamoring that supposed to be, they are looking the IPRA law, yung batas IPRA dito sa Basic Law. But some of the provision in the IPRA law is also here, like pre and prior informed consent. That was in the IPRA law. And also, native title was also in the IPRA law. So, I think hindi po nabibihayin ang IPs. Kung ang hinahanap po namin ay yung batas IPRA, Republic Act 8371, halos lahat ng mga provision ay nandoon din po sa Basic Law. So, yun po. Ang panawagan lang po namin mga Indigenous people is magtulungan. Tulungan nyo kami sa BTC because kayo sa Congress ay aming partner dito sa future Bangsamoro sa Mindanao. Because ang kailangan po natin, alam po natin na hindi lang po kami sa Mindanao ang nangangailangan ng tunay na kapayapaan at tunay na kaunlaran, kundi tayong lahat. We are all Filipino and we are brothers in the eyes of our Almighty God.
Thank you, well said, Commissioner Olama. Before we hear